Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about one of another university have started CSC scholarship, Chinese government scholarship. So what should you do? Type here cscguideofficial.com. Please type in Google cscguideofficial.com and click on the on first link. After clicking on first link you can see here Wuhan University of Technology Chinese Government Scholarship Chinese University Program CUP. Mean just online apply, no need to pay application fee. And no need to send hard copies. Okay, and if you want to get document sample, you can go here, click on list of documents for CSC and the document sample. If you need university faculty link and other things, everything is available. Okay, click on Wuhan University of Technology. University of Technology. Okay, no, just online apply. Authority is Chinese Government Scholarship, Wuhan University of Technology, for Master and PhD students, fully funded scholarship, 3000 RMB for Master student, 3500 RMB for PhD student. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March is 2020 is the last date. All international student can apply. Age limits 35 for Master and PhD for 40 years for PhD. So you can apply with English proficiency certificate, no need to send hard copies, no need to if you don't have IELTS, then you can apply without IELTS. Okay, how you apply for this? First you fill CSC online application form. After filling on CSC application form, you must fill Wuhan University of Technology online application portal. After filling both the form, just wait and check your status daily. It's changed into first it's changed to initial review, waiting for initial review, passed the initial review, and final result unreleased, and after final result unreleased, it's changed to admitted. Okay, now click here to apply. If you want to fill CSC application form, click here. How you fill CSC application form, link in the description, and click here to apply university application portal. You can go to the online application portal of the university, so you can go click here. And how you fill the form, I also tell you in this video, but if you want to know journal application form, want to know how you fill general application form, so you can link in the description. Okay, so you first documents required list for this scholarship. So last year Wuhan University of Technology select 42 students on the basis of CS scholarships. Okay, so 40 if you want to apply, then keep in mind. No documents required list. CS application form, online application form for Wuhan University. Okay, this is the agency number of the university, highest degree certificate, transcript of highest education, study or research plan, recommendation letters, CV including your publications if available. If you have any publication in journal or other things, you can must include mention in your CV. Passport copy with visa page, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, acceptance letter. Same. So in official advertisement, they don't they mention that acceptance letter, you have acceptance letter. They not mention that you don't have acceptance letter, and they not mention that you must have acceptance letter. If you want to apply in this university, then contact with the university and ask them either they do you required for required acceptance letter for applying CSC scholarship or not. It's must, or it's it's not compulsory. Okay, click here to go to the, this is the official advertisement application form. Click here to download it or open it. Okay, open it, new pages, we open it in new pages. Okay, so you can zoom it in your mobile or anything. So in my my desktop it's not zoom yet, so we came to the, this is the official advertisement. Okay, so this is the official advertisement. You can see here this is the two types of program. One is bilateral program and other is Chinese University program. In our country Pakistan, bilateral program is handling our authority, Higher Education Commission Pakistan. But in other countries, if you are ask you from your authorities, education authorities, how you how you apply for this scholarship. Okay, and which authority will be handled. Okay, now Pre-admission letter. Every students who applied on B category, every university give you the pre-admission letter. But pre-admission letter is not mandatory for B category. You can see here. You can check here. It's for applicants for Chinese government scholarship, Chinese university program. Okay, no, do not need the pre-admission letter. Okay. No, what is the last date? Last date is 31st of March. So application fee is you can see acceptance letter by the professor or associate professor from one university will be required. Will be required means it's necessary. Okay, so no, I check that it's required. Okay, acceptance letter. First I check this one, acceptance letter for professor or associate professor of WUT. So for master student and PhD students can apply for Chinese university program, bilateral program. Bilateral program is under A category, okay, and Chinese university CUP program is under B category. Okay, so don't worry about this for paying 500 yuan application fee. When you are selected, then they will mail you and ask you, you must pay the application fee. Okay, now came to the point, and all these things which I tell you, these are basic things, how you apply for this, I already tell you. Now came to the point, and we fill the online application portal. Okay, now I came back and fill this online application portal. Okay, when you sign in, I will give you a suggestion. When you sign in, okay, when you sign in, and in place of username, when you registered your account, in place of username you must kept your username, your CSC serial number. First you fill the CSC application form. After filling CSC application form, a serial number will be mentioned on every page of the CSC application form. All the pages have same CSC application form. CSC, all the pages have same CSC application number, serial number. Okay, copy this and paste into this and register your account. Okay, after registering, after putting must put your CSC serial number as your username. Okay, now I submit, I sign in and come back to the portal. So after signing in, you can click on online application portal. After clicking on online application portal, select Chinese government scholarship. Applicants who already completed online application CSC website would like to study at WUT with CSC application form, but you must fill CSC application form before filling online application form of Wuhan University of Technology. Click on next button, and for the undergraduate is only for bilateral program or MOFCOM program. This university is also in under MOFCOM program scholarship. So you can if I am now I am master student, I click on postgraduate student and click on next option. Now this is the schools which are for scholarship. So I click on any one of the English program, click on physics and apply. Okay, this is the form. Now I come back and give you the overview, because if I fill the form completely, so it's take too much time. So click on online application. After clicking on online application, if you fill the form and light has been gone or something else has been happened with you, then you can click on edit option and go forward to the application form. Now I click on view. After clicking on view, this is the basic thing I tell you in every video. So if you want to fill the complete form, link in the description how you fill university application portal in English or Urdu, you can see. So but in this video I will tell you the basic point and the cheeky point which you don't understand if you feel any problem. So native language is your national language and highest level of education. If you are applying for master degree, then your highest level is bachelor degree, and if you are applying for PhD, then your highest level is master. Okay, employer and institution affiliated with, if you are doing work in any company or any institute, write the name of the institute, and occupation is student. If you don't do job or anything else, then must write your last degree previous institute in which you are graduated. Okay, or no, if another one option which you see in when you fill the online application form, advisor name and advisor contact. Advisor name is your professor who give your acceptance letter, and also give them write the email. If you don't have phone number of your professor, then write the email of your professor. Okay, now educational background from to school name, field of diploma. I also tell in the video, in every video, so you know about this, all the people you can know. So the photocopy of passport with visa pages. You can upload it. If you don't have visa page, you can upload the blank page of your passport, fourth or fifth page. Application form for Chinese government scholarship, the form which you fill on CSE application form portal, download it and upload here in PDF file. Okay, degree certificates, highest degree certificate, notarized copy, transcript of highest education, personal statement. I will give you one advice for you, that if you upload your notarized copy of your highest degree, then print out colored print of your notarized colored print of your degree, and then notarize it. It means it's become original also if they need, and notarize also. So it's a suggestion for you. Transcript of highest education, personal statement. I inshallah within 2 days I upload a personal statement complete file on our website cscguideofficial.com. Okay, recommendation letters, English native language certificates, means your English proficiency certificate. If you have IELTS, TOEFL, you can upload your IELTS, TOEFL. If you don't have IELTS, TOEFL, then English proficiency certificate is enough. Okay, physical examination form, foreign physical examination form. Research proposal, I also inshallah within 2 days I also make a video about research proposal, how you make research proposal, study plan, and these kind of things. Other documents, you must include your acceptance letter, and then if you have police clearance certificate, you upload it. If you have other documents you think that it's take too much importance with your application, then upload it. So all these things are basic, and other things I tell you in every video. This is the basic thing. Guarantor and financial support. If you write here the name of the CSE, give the detail of CSE, it's okay. If you don't want to give the detail of CSE, then must give the detail of your father. Okay, guarantor name in charge of your case. If you have acceptance letter, then write the professor name, your professor name. If you don't have acceptance, then in other universities, if you don't have an acceptance, then write your father name. This is the basic thing. How you collect the notice. Two options. One is study at collect at Vahan University, other is at home address. Click on home address if you are in home country, and give the detail of your receiver name and all the information which you give above about your status, about your address. So hope so you like this video, and if you need anything about CSE scholarship, like document samples, click on document samples, and after clicking on document sample, click on this option, CSE scholarship document sample. Okay, when you click on CSE document sample, you can see CV format. Now you can download it. Physical exam, this one is that English proficiency certificate, and recommendation letter, first recommendation letter, second recommendation letter, physical examination, field physical examination form, and this one is that acceptance letter format for every university, and blank physical examination form. All these things you can see here. Hope so you like this video, and if you like this video, then share it and subscribe it our YouTube channel. Good luck and take care.